안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 멜리사입니다. 오늘 1차 연습 문제 9번 발표를 하겠습니다. So first we have three sets which is A, B, C, D, B, W, X, Y, Z, C, O, P, Q, R. So the question asks us to find if it is 합성 가능 아니면 합성 불가능. So first we check one by one. So A, W, S, R. To solve this, we read it to the front, from the front to the back. But first, we check this WS. So WS, we have S, A to C, then W, C to B. So we got the final relation is A to B. And then R is A to B. So since this is different, it is 합성 불가. 앞에 아래 정역 A과 뒤에 WS의 공역 B가 다름으로 합성 불가능. 두 번째는 DUW, W, C to B, U, B to C. So we got UW, C to C. And then we see D is B to A. 앞에 UW의 정역 C과 뒤에 D의 공역 A가 다름으로 합성 불가능. 8번 UWD. D is B to A, W, C to B. This is, as we can see, is different. So it can be solved. 뒤에 D의 공역 A과 앞의 W의 정역 C가 다름으로 합성 불가능. And then for number 9, UWRV. So V, C to A, R, A to B, while W, C to B, U, B to C. And then for final, we got RB, C to B, U, W, C to C. So if we need to read it, first we read this one and then second one. So C to B, C to C. As we can see, this is different. So 앞에 UW의 정역 C과 뒤에 RB의 공역 B가 다름으로 합성 불가능. And then number 10, WURU. U, B to C, R, A to B. So since this is different, it's 합성 불가. 뒤에 U의 공역 C과 앞에 R의 정역 A가 다름으로 합성 불가능. 두 번째는 합성 가능한 관계의 정역, 공역, 지역을 구하라. 그래서 so we see number 3. So first we solve number 3. As we can see, there is SD that we need to solve first. So we can check here. D is B to A, and then S is A to C. So we got B to C for SD. And then to get all the listed elements here, first we check WA, and then anything that start with A in the S, then we pairing up with it. For example, WA, and then we have AQ. So for SD, the element is WQ, and there it goes on like that. So we can get all the elements here like this. After that, we relate it with W. So since SD is B to C and W is C to B, so the final is B to B. And then I did the same methods to find all the elements here. And then the 정의역 is B, WYZ. We see the first elements here in the pairs. And then the 공역 is also B. And we see S, Z, W, Y. So we listed it all. And for 지역, it will be the same as 공역. Number 4, TWS. So W is C to B and T is B to E. So we got C to E here. And then S is E to C. So final is A to E. And then I did all the same methods to find all the elements here. And then listed it all for 정의역, E, 공역 E, and 지역 also E. If the question does not ask for the elements, we can just determine by this. This is 정의역, this is 공역. But if the question asks us for specific elements, then we need to do all these listing. Number 5, VUR. So VU is B to A, U B to C, B is C to A, so B to A. And then R is A to B, and then we got B to A, so the final answer is A to A. And then the 정의역 is A, 공역 A, the 지역 also will be A. And then for number 6, RVS. VS is A to A, S, A to C, and then V is C to E. So we have A to E here. And then for R, this is A to A, then R is A to B. So we got A to B. Just like this. And then the 정의역 is A, the 공역 is B, and the 지역 is B as well. Moving on for number 7, RVS. So RV is C to B, C to A, then we got A to B, so it will be C to B. Yeah. And then S, A to C. So A to C, C to B, so it will be A to B. We got it here. And the 정의역 will be A, 공역 B, as well as the 지역 will be elements of B. And last question is URDR. Since this question is like a bit too long, I didn't list all of it one by one here. But the final answer is A to C. And we got 정의역 A, 공역 C, and as well as the 지역. 발표를 들어주셔서 감사합니다.